In this video, I will show you how to turn a single PC into a computer that multiple people can use at the same time. Each person will have their own screen, mouse, and keyboard. Normally, Windows lets you create different user accounts, but only one person can use the computer at a time. If someone logs in, it locks the other accounts. To fix that, we will use a special program called Aster Multiseat. This software lets one computer work like several different computers. Each user gets their own desktop, screen, mouse, and keyboard, all running from the same PC. Aster is not free, but there's a 14-day free trial so you can test it. After the trial, you need to buy a license. For now, we're going to use the free trial. Start by downloading the latest version of Aster Multiseat from their official website. Make sure you choose the version that matches your Windows system. Once downloaded, open the file and install the software. Just follow the steps and keep clicking Next. It's simple and quick. When the installation is complete, open the Aster program. The first time you open it, you'll be asked to either enter a license key or start the trial. Click on the free trial option. Now you'll see the main Aster window. Click on the Workplaces tab. This is where you set up each workstation. Before we continue, connect all the extra monitors, keyboards, and mice that you want to use. You can use USB or Bluetooth. If you are adding headphones or webcams for each user, connect them now too. Make sure each extra monitor is set to extend the display. If Windows is set to duplicate, Aster won't detect the screen properly. Let's say we are setting up two workspaces. Drag the external monitor into the second workplace box in the Aster window. To connect a keyboard or mouse, press a key or move the mouse. Aster will highlight it. Then you drag and drop it into the right workplace. Do the same for any headphones, speakers, or controllers. Any devices on the left side of the screen will be shared by all users. For example, a shared printer can stay on the left. Next, we need to assign user accounts. Click the menu button at the top right corner and select Edit User Login. Make sure Local Account is selected. Then, click User Accounts. If you only have one user account, you need to create a second one. Click Add, then choose the option to sign in without a Microsoft account. Follow the steps to make a new account. Now go to the General Settings tab. You can choose whether Aster should start with the system when you turn on the PC. Click Enable Aster. It will ask you to restart your computer. Click Yes. When the computer restarts, you'll see the Aster wallpaper on each screen. Log into each monitor using a different user account. The second user might need to go through the basic Windows setup the first time. Now both users should be working at the same time on the same PC. And that's how you use Aster Multiseat to turn one PC into many. Thanks for watching.